Hi guys! David and Louise here. Turn around, say hello. Oh, very good.
Oh, say hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
We are all dressed up because we are going out. We're going to go for a walk along the beach up the northern end, which we haven't been before. It's going to be very romantic. We're going to take some snacks, sit down, have a break halfway, and then come on our way back. Later on tonight, we've got a party. So I'll probably just wear exactly the same thing I'm wearing now, because it's very Christmassy. Those are the plans for today. So let's hop along and start walking. Going to head back now. It is 12:11. Well, I'm pooped. It took us about an hour to walk back from the start, well, from the end of the beach to where we started, and then another like 5 minutes to walk home. I'm hungry. We're gonna make some lunch. We're gonna edit some videos. David's got a video to edit. I've got a video to edit, and then we're heading out to the Christmas party. Husband got the cute little Christmas hat, touched up the makeup, got all the keys and everything. We're going to a party. Jeremy.
Oh yeah, I did it again. I take that back, sorry, my bad.